Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Hutch's Welding, and today we're going to be building some 61 to 64 F100 firewall panels. Starting off with our template that we made with our chipboard. We're going to be transferring out to some material. We're running 18 gauge sheet metal, and we'll get it cut, and then we'll get to the bead rolling. Now that we got our piece, I'm gonna slice some of these edges off with our Beverly shear. If you don't know what this is, we got a nice video on this. Alright, there you have it. F100 61 to 64 bead-rolled firewall panels, filler panels. These are the symmetrical option where both sides mirror each other. If you wanted to keep it, this is good for when you want to, if you're doing any kind of modifications, you know, engine placement, you get it nice and centered, you know, you're dropping the truck down or putting a big motor in it and you're doing tunnel work or anything like that anyway, it gives you a nice symmetrical look. The OEM design, the motor is shifted over a little bit more. So we do have an OEM option available to where this side is a little shorter if you're just trying to keep everything kind of stock, but this is the symmetrical option where obviously they're mirrored. You can find these on our website, hutcheswelding.com. We make all other panels also for other applications, so check that out. We also offer custom bead rolling, so if you have an idea or any other vehicle that we don't offer, sometimes it'd be as simple as sending us a template and we can kind of go off of that. So just contact us. All our information is available, hutcheswelding.com. There you have it. Thanks for watching.